Wasp prepare, you know, Chef's thing already. You know.
Take a pot from the beans, alright?
Again, boss.
Take a small pot for some beans.
Beans, yes, man.
With some beans with butter and scallion, onion, thyme in it.
Whoa, yes, man.
Yes.
Yes, man.
And a little side.
Yeah, man. Let's go on the side. Side.
Whoa, you know. You call out Oliver what you for the camera, but Oliver red, gold and green, you know, Oliver. You know. See?
So, you know, for the out here, you can go inside, you know.
I'm only cooking outside.
Outside?
Yeah.
Outside a day, today, outside, you know?
Yeah.
We're going to get more stuff.
Yeah. Light Parks, how much Aki you gone already?
I don't know, I just have picked.
For the next few ones, Aki them will drop off, you know. Alright. Yeah. So we have the first couple of swings from Oliver. I think Oliver uptown boy.
Yeah.
Now we think Oliver Carla with a loss. Check out Carla with a loss. From uptown, you know. On to them Oliver. Oliver, watch them what's there, because we know why you get any.
Yeah, so if I fight them.
Look where the bottle of box out.
Okay, Carla is a lefty, not a righty.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Jackson, Aki a store though.
Aki a store can be Aki for the children, so it's too full, man. Aki too place full for that. All the neighborhood see what they say, you know. Check it out, neighborhood see a beer fresh neighborhood for the children.
Yeah.
Yes, man, you know. And like my drop off a tree, you know, and there's no so blessed, you know.
We're blessed.
Everything current. Watch it. Look on the banana tree, there's a beer new stuff here.
Don't it?
Everything off like that.
Yo, Chu been missing in action.
Yeah.
So, you know, it's a new year now, so we're back on it. Young Light Parks there. Yeah. So we work close to my yacht. We work close there. Because we know Light Parks now bringing us without a Light Parks Junior that, you know. Right, Light Parks. You must know how the left hand work, you know. Whoa! Yeah, man. We are going out on Castro.
Castro, yeah, monster. Castro move wild all the while, man.
For the new year, you know. So you know Oliver and Carla they on them way. You know the thing though. So I gotta have a first guest passing through. Come see what the dream team is going in. Oliver and Carla. Them so must leave some work for them, you know, so. Holy for work. Here, can I come back over that side, yeah? Yeah. Over here. Yeah, you know what I gotta do? I'll buy some color loose to get down a town.
Yeah.
You have transport already?
Oh, wait there.
So I have transport up on the veranda, man. No, you don't have to throw it yet. No, let's go and plow up yourself. Because I have to put it on the wall with the seed. Go and plow it up, man. Come here, wow. You know? Yeah. Natish. We have Jenna on bass.
On the bass.
Jenna is here.
Here.
So,
Holy power, can you hear that?
Yeah. Oliver and Carla they on them way. So you know where we go, we have a fork and cutlass put down for Oliver. We said the fork for Oliver and cutlass for Carla.
Oh, yeah, video. We just have to see what I Yeah, come here when you over here, I comment to you and I talk. I say, oh.
You my phone now, you know. I want frog that. See a frog, eh? Who never see a frog before? See a frog here, when rain falls, them push out. See the frog there. Dead? I won't say that. He's there. Nah, there nothing, man.
Chinaman them love that.
Now, Tisha, what make you work back the rate down there, so? Down at that bed there.
What's the mighty? What's that do me? You them
See fat the pan there. Oh, you know. Oh, you know.
Good seeing you, man.
Yeah, man.
Oliver is here. Whoa, you know.
Whoa. Twice. What's going on?
Not once, you know.
This look like Mr. Young Park.
Oh, you see it though.
Right. You should ask for some help making this young man. I know. You can't do it all by yourself, you know?
Welcome, Oliver. Welcome. Carla. Welcome. Listen, you ready? Watch the motherfucker. The mother cutlass for Oliver.
Watch me do some work today, alright?
Yeah, man, you see it, man, no?
You alright?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You lost some weight, man?
The belly, my work out the belly.
I take that right, that one.
Yeah, man, so you know we have Oliver and Carla in the building. Maga man. Listen, the whole place know him as Maga man. You tell them and say that's his name, Maga.
Hey, where live? Nobody would know.
Nobody know.
Shefferton.
Shefferton.
Yeah, that's the next.
Nobody would know.
Nobody know.
No.
You will last. If you ask anybody, where can I find Umrai? Maga man, you will find. This is Auntie, this is Carla.
Carla, nice to meet you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Come show you the restroom. Come.
Thank you.
So this is the cottage. Colors that say cottage.
Oh, nice.
You know?
Nice and airy.
Yeah. When I call him back, once him say the missed call, I call back. So Oliver, welcome.
Thank you very much, man.
You see Amin already?
Yeah.
That's Amin, you know?
She's doing all this work, so I have to come and check it out.
Yeah. So our caller is using the bathroom. So you always see the full cup over there.
Okay.
I'll wait till when Carla comes if she can.
God damn. People climb this?
Yeah, use the ladder. You see the Burger Man.
My Burger Man, boy.
My favorite general as well. I've done already.
Yeah.
That's the same because experience alone in giving
Yeah.
is key. You understand me, I said to you?
Sure.
Glad just to see you.
And he's present here.
And presence as well.
I keep seeing all this farm working and stuff, so you know, I figure since I'm in town.
You want to see it.
As Kino will tell you, we went to see the Berry Salmon show.
Yeah, yeah.
So I figure I'll just spin by before I leave. Check out the farm work.
See
It's a
the
good look as
farm.
well. So we give back to nature as well.
Yeah.
So,
See the life.
It's a good thing, you know. It's a good thing.
Alright, so Carla come out there.
yeah.
Wow chef prepare, you know, wow chef's thing already. Wow, you know. You know.
Hey, get a pot for my beans, alright?
Again, boss.
Get a pot, a small pot for some beans.
Beans, yes, man.
With some beans with butter and scallion, onion, thyme in it.
Oh, yes, man.
Yes.
Yes, man.
And a little side.
Yeah, man. Better go up on the side. Side. Whoa.
Wow, you know. You call out Oliver what you for the camera about Oliver red, gold and green, you know, Oliver. You know. See?
So, you know, you know, for eat out here, you can go inside, you know.
I'm only cooking outside.
Alright, outside?
Yeah.
Outside a day, today, outside, you know.
Yeah.
We're going to get more stuff. You know, we're going to get more stuff.
Just warm up stuff for you, you know.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
So when you finish your stuff, put it on and we're good.
Right.
Right.
Don't take no time.
Alright.
Right.
And after this, I hope to see you guys doing this more often, you know.
Alright.
Some beans, get some protein.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a protein.
You know.
Protein. So it's the life parks in the tree picking some ackee. The lifestyle. Oh, we bring a chair them as well. Just,
Yeah, go to the funky night one inside and talk the funky one. No, give it that one.
Yeah. Light parks, how much ackee you gone already?
I don't know, I just have picked.
The next few when I say ackee, them will drop off, you know.
Dada, where would I kill him out in there?
No, skin there, son.
Come out of skin.
Oh.
You don't want to work my party.
Clear ackee, lady. Ackee a stone. Yeah. See, you have outside pipe there.
Can I climb that trigger?
To me?
Me.
See the ladder there?
Yeah, man, I climb it right now.
Yeah.
Watch my first.
We know when you drop out like the wow chef, you know, out at the mango tree, you know. No, turn the pipe. No, that bucket have to stop from splashing up because it's very powerful.
Okay, so this is good then.
Yeah. The pipe is very powerful. You turn it on, you know, straight splash.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Need a gauge.
Yeah. So these are the thing where you see.
Oh, you know, from the picture it doesn't
Look
look
like
like
that.
there was a water pass through. And it could be like a hydro pump, you know?
Yeah.
I was thinking there was a whole riverbed or something.
No, and that is where you see as well too. When we talk about the fish, freshwater fish.
See this, you know, Big grow potato in it. By the thousands.
Fish?
Potatoes.
Potatoes.
Put dirt, leaves, yam peel, and make a mulch.
Oh.
And then when you get good potatoes and they start to sprout the root, you stick them in there and then it's covered.
Yeah.
You wouldn't know what to do with potatoes.
So you put a lot of dirt inside night then as well too.
Yeah, you do it up to. I would probably bar off right here and leave an opening here.
Yeah.
And just put some brick or something on this side. The only problem, you might need a little outlet. You might drill a hole on this side.
For water run out.
Drill 2 holes. And then all of them weed and stuff that you have over there, you chop them up, get some of the ash, and you put them here, you bring it up to about here.
Okay.
And you put all the mulch and all the acky stuff and you let it sit and then...
That's a good idea, because I remember I was thinking about freshwater fish, but this good for the potato.
Oh, you don't want freshwater fish, you'll poison yourself.
Yeah. So it's resort baby here.
Look at her.
Resort baby.
I like this prize though. How you doing, Natty?
Good. I'm live.
Resort baby.
That's the most important thing. Yeah, man, I saw what you guys doing and I figured to come and check it out, So I'm telling Kino to make this a potato bed.
Yeah.
Now the thing is this, if you put the mulch like some weed and dirt and yam peel, potato peel, banana, whatever you put them in there and you mix them up, it become a mulch. Now when you buy potatoes and you see like they're starting to sprout root, you just bury them.
Okay.
And I'm telling you, in no time you have more potatoes than you can eat.
Yeah, that's what we're definitely going to do.
I sent you a video.
But we was thinking about using the buckets and the drums.
Imagine how much more you get from this.
Yeah, true.
If you just divide up there, but I wouldn't put enough fish in this. It's not big enough. They're gonna have a lot of disease and a lot of stuff. You're gonna need filter and it would work.
All right.
I used to raise fish, so I can tell you.
Yeah. All right then.
In a tank,
So over here, we have the pig pen then. As you can see, this is one. There's another one beside it, and there's the next one there.
How many this size you have?
This 2. There's this one, the next one beside it. There's another small one down there I was using. We just run a fence here. Because should we go them over that yard, they just come up and eat up the palm tree then. So as soon as we later reach the work right there, so we go. Watch Aki them a drop. Yeah. Watch Aki. Meditate. It's great, meditate.
The cleaner is another problem. Cleaner is another problem.
Pure Aki na tree man. Pure Aki. Yeah. These are some melons here.
Oh, I see what you mean. Okay.
So these are some melons also.
And you transfer them.
Yeah. Which?
Red dirt. Where you get this dirt from?
Not the yard here. Probably down at the bottom part of the land.
Yeah, man. You see, like you mix it up with now, like where they have yam skin and banana and everything. Put them in there and you mix it up with some of the red dirt.
Yeah.
And what that do is make it more aerated, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then you put potatoes in there. And Kino, you come back, man, you have more potato than you can manage.
Yeah. So we're going to see what the patch out today.
Okay, in here?
Yeah. Put the patch in there. We're going to plant the okra. I'll buy okra.
You get enough sun back here?
Yeah, man.
That's good.
Go Aki again. Let's hear Aki now. Yeah, where's the rain go fall? Yeah, show it.
No. Vegetarian dog.
Yeah. I chew cash you don't see it yet.
That's the corner side.
Like that? Yeah.
Good, chef?
Jenna, what? Jenna, wait. So I go and Jenna.
Hey, Jenna, how you doing, girl?
You see that? You see that?
Listen, Jenna, what I should learn?
Easy.
You see me?
Well, 2 coconuts for going in.
Yeah. Who don't cry nothing.
Drink for yourself.
Alva, I go on G.
Alright. What can I tell you?
Carla,
Yeah, man.
You like in the breeze?
This just like, bro. Yeah, coconut tree. That tree.
Okay. So you can plant that as is.
Yeah, but it's already, I look like a chop. But you can open it and eat this, you know.
Yeah. And the iron nut is? No. Which iron nut is?
You know you can open this and eat
That
it, right?
reach iron because you were going now. If you chew it, done boss already for be a tree.
Oh.
Yeah, it can be an iron nut, you know. It can be.
Come love the iron nut, you know, man.
Chances are ready to become a tree.
Yeah.
You know you love the iron nut. You know me I get to get to still.
Yeah, I want to,
That's how we
man.
get to iron nut still.
That, nice with rice and peas and the iron nut.
Because with them there, you know.
That's all.
Trust me, you know.
That's
like
all.
every day, you know.
That's all I want. I know. Me, I'll eat it, see me.
I want 7 or 7, 8 of them.
I'm just gonna eat them.
Yeah. I eat them one.
No, you need.
Yeah, what every day, you know.
Thank you very much.
Original. Wait, that way them. You can walk that way, Oliver, you climb over the fence. So this is done at the bottom part. I'll talk to them. Also boom them around here, so. Go on.
They look more interesting than that.
Alright, the pure Aki I go walk part now.
I can't see that.
So if nobody not there you have to eat them.
Try to go and get the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, I walk up there when I burn out, you know. Sometimes people ask me, why you make your wife carry this and walk all over the place? Man got to come up.
Yes, so we just saw Margaman show the seed them, but nothing. Cause I told them I tell me they never so sure about the callaloo seed them they saw.
That's a callaloo seed for them.
So that's why we try to get some.
So what happened now, then depends on, you might see other stuff start pop up first.
Pure Guinean weed.
Yeah, and then when you weed them out at some point, then you see them come up, the callaloo seed.
What's the fence? Yes, sir.
What is that?
See that?
This, what is it? Rasta message. What's going on? Working hard. Mr. Jackson.
Our family.
Rasta Jackson, Michael Jackson, the same Jackson.
Yes,
It's all one family.
yes, the family. Their family.
How you doing, man?
Their
You working
family.
hard.
Yes, family. Nice to meet your family. Yeah, family. So
Yes,
just to come
sir.
and find a way. Could come consider, man. I go, you know, so come and so car.
That's me too, man. I'll come here to do some work.
Yeah.
Can I borrow yours and do some work?
Yeah, man, but the 40 watts, because then John will go in. Back box out, boat like.
Boom!
Florida.
Florida. You good?
Yeah, man, for me, I have life for the greatest thing, you know, you have life for the greatest.
And chop, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
So we have the first couple of swings from Oliver. Oh, no, I think Oliver Uptown boy.
Yeah.
No, we think Oliver from Uptown, you know. On to them, Oliver. Oliver, watch them what's there, you know, because we know why you get any.
Yeah, because if I fight them.
You go where the box out, box with
Around here now, we have put the pumpkin and the melon. Because there's so much stone around here. Hold them, Oliver.
Yes, sir.
Oliver, right into it.
I'm trying to see what this,
There is a loss. Alright, Carla with our loss.
Ali, we're going down? Going down the hill?
There's a shortcut around here to go around to the guys. Then.
Yeah, I'm going to come up here after.
Yeah. Large parks, they are going to prepare the Aki.
Yeah, get it clean up and thing, you know.
You know how the thing go. You are going to relax, bust a sweat, cook Aki and the ear of food.
Yeah.
Meditate.
Blow your
More life, more strength. Come call us, watch your step. Watch your step. What am I going like Carla, uptown girl? What if the Carla is from the ghetto? Countryside, okay. So it's at the back. Come through, Carla.
What's So go on around our body now.
Oh,
Only there's a shortcut right here.
This is sharp enough for me.
it's a tall P. Here's caller here for you.
Oh, go on, man.
Oh my dear.
What's them body running around back?
Don't chop him, caller. Don't chop him.
No.
Don't chop him, caller.
She's not chop.
Huh?
How you doing? So good.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice to see you again. You know?
We bring some pint,
So what if them?
Yeah.
Both them are good.
Alright.
Upstairs, don't come out. Sit here.
We're Rasta Jackson.
Jackson.
Yeah.
I'm there. But Jackson there.
You guys are doing the work, so when I get the Hey?
I'm check on it, but I know once you're tall behind you're in good hands.
Yeah.
Cool, I'm a big brother, man. I love to see no big brother.
Jackson, come a piece of the pine there. Messi,
One piece, yeah.
you get the pine already? Yeah. Okay. Oops. The water just.
God, quick hands.
Yeah. Quick card, man.
Oh my God. Rasta Jackson.
Took away from you.
That's where the Wasp for?
Yeah, be a man.
Alright.
Well, Gino, them pull down and say like,
How
wow.
you doing,
Don't you so?
Yeah, man.
Nice to see you.
We feel fire them.
Oh.
Wow, that. Yeah, man.
Down further down that bit.
Yeah, cause them are running now.
Remember say wait.
Watch your feet, Carlos. Watch your step.
I tell him to say, wow. Put up a little piece down, pull off the car, you know.
Yeah.
Come out to one, put up a little piece down.
Okay.
Wash them there.
Yeah, man, watch them.
Yeah, but I told the wash me couldn't go in there to see. I look up and see smoke there. Yeah, wash they in there. And gang look where me have to run there.
That said, I'm gonna back away.
So we're gonna make it. We're gonna gang them back.
Yeah.
So I cook the local bourbon and
Attack them.
we attack them now.
Attack them now.
Yeah, babe.
We'll make it work.
I don't know what do you do when wasps start coming at you? Run? No, right? You don't run?
Yeah, depends.
So it all depends. This is the Wasp Whisperer.
What do you do?
What do you do?
It all depends. It all depends on how much and the magnitude.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you with the fear and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Once they start swing off of them, they're gonna swing back.
no, you're not directly have to swing off of them because when you rush them get more aggressive. Yeah, so if you can just ease away yourself, look.
Ease away.
Okay. Ease
Slowly
away.
back away.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see, you just ease away. And then you just say, alright, you just give them some fire in and feed them little area.
Yeah.
Let them know so you're disturbing.
Alright, leave terrible. Hear that? Cause you can see. Watch our next day. You see it?
I see it.
That's a nest right
Big
there.
one.
Yeah, hanging off.
You know the bush too.
Anyone got stung yet since you guys been here? Oh yeah.
Everybody gets stung. Well,
Lloyd
Jackson,
got spurt.
boom.
Boom. Okay.
Clyde, Hero. Talpi never get nothing. Talpi never get nothing. Talpi speak to them, you know.
Yeah.
When Talpi come here, Talpi talk to the bushes and everything. Yeah. And Talpi not afraid of them. Talpi just take him time and go in and chat. Like, so Talpi have to get the award for the Wasp Whisperer, you know. That is it. So, yeah. Melon and pumpkin.
What we're gonna put here? I wanna know it.
Melon and pumpkin are coming on here. Right back down there. Yeah, melon and pumpkin. So now we can go and find chop right now. Then make a longer thing, you always see. Get out this with some fine chops. Like chop suey. I mean, I wonder could I bring the whisk round after you know.
Machine.
I should check out them union later.
Yeah. Put out some of them long ones here first.
So you have to dip on top of them, you know.
Can't make them stay because them will grow.
Yeah, can't make them stay, you have to dip on top of them.
I bring the machine on the other side there. Push power with a chop out already. And so it can box out. Come Carla.
Let me take it up for
Yeah. Bring out the machine in the field. Alright, Carla with a loss. Check out Carla with a loss. Check out Carla is here in the country with a loss. Yeah, it's not on a resort, you know. We check her out in the countryside.
I don't want to just try that.
Alright, can I cut something right here, so? See there? Cut that. Cut that Carla. Yeah. I know so you don't want to try the last. Carla's gonna cut something. See there, hold it for bush now to cut. Hey.
You want to try it?
Yeah, oh yeah, lefty.
I'm a lefty.
She's a lefty, lady. Carla is a lefty like you. Okay, Carla is a lefty, not a righty. Everything that hero.
What's not cut?
It's not cut.
What's not cut? Wait.
Actually, a woman power. Yeah. Get there. There you go. Get there.
Go on for when I come in the Kino, they can say, look.
Are you chop this up?
I need chop this up.
But I guess the tree I gotta say, yo, you miss me. At least you did try. I think the last one some bevel on it. Yeah. You want some sharpening because it's new. It's not so accurate yet. Alright, so Carla can walk that side there. A boy, I make the cartwheel them. Yeah, can't afford for wash up with them dumpling right now.
Yeah, man, you know, half a year from a chop out.
Yeah.
That was the workhouse.
No, cartwheel. Yeah. So that quick and fast.
We're going to sharp this up, see that?
Them have the fire in there. Bring it round there with me. Them have the fire around there.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.